Na hakuna kubakisha hii crust. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have another challenge. In today's challenge, it's a Weetabix challenge. We have the vanilla flavor. Yeah. To our contestants, we have
Ruth. I hope I don't choke.
and
Abigail, I will crush her.
okay, let's see you crushing each other. And to neutralize, we have milk if someone feels like choking. So we can start the challenge. So we will start the challenge. Whoever finishes first is the winner without taking the milk. So we can start. The challenge. And may the best win. Who do you think is going to win, Team Abby and Team Ruth? Comment down below which team you're in. Kuna maziwa? There's milk. Wewe na usikule kikubwa tena unyongwe. You don't want to go to the hospital. Leo umeanza kutoa mamacho. Haya. You guys, come and cheer people up here. Which team are you? Cooking team.
Team Abby.
Team Abby, go. Who is Team Ruth?
Me.
Okay, I cheer your... Huh? Mini team neutral. Unaweza kunywa maziwa lakini una lose. We, kumbe si hizi. Team Ruth simkuje.
Team Abby.
Ruth anakugojea, namesake anakuchill.
Lakini ukishindwa usijitese.
Just take the milk.
These are supposed to be your cheerleaders. I give up. I give up.
Hadi mwenye
atameza wa kwanza.
Na
hakuna kubakisha hii crust. Yote kwa mdomo.
Kuna mdoyo maziwa. Kama unanyongwa kunywa tu.
And the only two na mnashindwa. Mtu wa focus na yake. Wacha kuangalia mwenzako. Maziwa iko hapa.
Ndio hii. Kunywa tu.
You have the worst cheerleaders ever. The worst, mtu akimaliza akimeza afungue mdomo ndio tujue who finishes first. Kumbe hii game Happy was waiting for that one. And the winner is drum roll.
I was rooting for you.
So guys, here, look at this, guys. How is the challenge?
It's difficult. It's tough. But they pulled through.
Good job. How was it for the contestants?
I'm going to brush my teeth the whole night.
And it's your throat, okay?
Hii kitu nafanyanga kila siku.
Okay. And Abby? She still has not swallowed despite taking milk. So today's winner of the Weetabix challenge takes home 500. What does it feel to eat dry Weetabix?
It feels so terrible.
But is it worthwhile?
But money.
Money anytime. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Keep it here for more videos.